Welcome to the course Amazon Web Services. So first we are going to see about the introduction about the Amazon Web Services. So the Amazon Web Services is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform which is provided by the Amazon. We all know about what is Amazon. In that Amazon websites we can able to purchase, or we can whatever the things if we want we can able to purchase from that website. So here the Amazon platform, they provide the web services which is a comprehensive evolving cloud platform. We can able to store the data. So the AWS, the Amazon Web Services, is a mixture of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, packaged software as a service offerings. So these are the three mixtures of the AWS. The next we are going to see about what are the platforms we are using in the Amazon Web Services. So in Amazon Web Services we can use the mobile platform, servers, mobile deployment, storage, remote computing, email, security, networking. Through this platform we can store the data from various usages. So the next, what are the benefits of AWS? So the AWS Amazon Web Services is a cloud migration. It benefits is improved business workflows through whether the business persons can able to store the data, whether if it is a confidential. So for that they enhance the security. Then it is an effective cost optimization platform. Then scalability. So we can use the various varieties of users can use various data. So for that we can use that Amazon Web Services platform. Then it is flexibility to do. So all the persons can easily access this Amazon Web Service platform. Then access to the innovation. So if new techniques are come, we can able to innovate that particular techniques, and we can use that technique through Amazon Web Services platform. Then it is the business continuity. The business, what are the business we can able to do, that we can able to access in that Amazon Web Services platform. So what are the Amazon Web Services, AWS infrastructure and the services we are going to see in the slides. First we are going see about the traditional infrastructure. So with the traditional infrastructure we are going to compare the services with the Amazon Web Services. So we can see in that slide in the left hand side, in the traditional infrastructure, the security. So it will be like groups, NACLs and the access management. The same will be provided by the Amazon Web Services. But in the networking platform we can able to see that routers, that workflows, all the things in the traditional infrastructure. But in the Amazon Web Services it will be include that public Amazon EC2 networking platform. It will be the various services we can able to use in that networking platform. Then through ELP it will provided to the VPC. Through that the various users can able to use that. The next server. So the server, that will be the single server, it will be in the traditional infrastructure. But in Amazon Web Services it will be like AMI. So it will be provide the service Amazon EC2 to the instances. So what are the users we can able to want that particular data able to access through that instance. The next one is storage and database. So in traditional infrastructure we can already know about the DAS, SAN, NAS, RDBMS storage. But in Amazon Web Services we can use the Glacier, EBS, S3 and RDS. So through in that Amazon Web Services storage we can able to store large amount of data in the particular time. But in the traditional infrastructure we cannot able to do. So these are the things we can have the advantages of Amazon Web Services compared to that of the traditional infrastructure. The next one is AWS Cloud Infrastructure. So in AWS Cloud Infrastructure there will be the 5 regions. The first one is the geographical location, that will be the AWS region. The next one is cloud data centers. In the cloud data centers we can able to store the cloud data. In that the AWS availability zones are used. The next one is 5G delivery. The 5G delivery we can fastly access the data. So here they can use it in AWS wavelength zone. The next one is AWS local zones, that will be called as cloud ultra low latency delivery. So the name itself says the latency delivery is very low, which means the delay for the sending of the particular data or receiving that particular data is low in the AWS local zones. The next one is AWS outpost. The AWS outpost, it will be the hybrid delivery, which means we can able to send multiple data to the receiver in a particular time. The next one is the AWS innovations. What are the innovations we can able to do in the AWS Amazon Web Services platforms are? The first one is that recent co-innovations. So the recent co-innovations are SAP Analysis Cloud, then SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP IoT Core Integration, SAP Data consolidation for AWS, SAP C/4 services, Amazon Connect. The next one is in the right hand side we can see about the runs on AWS. What are the runs on AWS? Are SAP S4 HANA, SAP C4 HANA, SAP Cloud Platform, SAP HANA Enterprise Cloud, that is called as HEC. The next one is SAP Qualtrics, NS2, SAP Concur and the Gigia. The next one is how are the innovations which is crosses from the particular year from 2008 to 2020. Then further what are the innovations which are going on, it is slow in the, which I am showing in this slide. So in that from the 2008 we can drastically increase that particular innovations up to 2020. Then further the innovations are going on, so the easily it is a flexibility of using the Amazon platform. So because of that the recent innovations we can easily add in that particular AWS platform. So next one is what are the working of AWS means. First, the AWS Code Star Administrator creates the project and add to that particular user. So in the particular user which give that particular data to the team members, the team members analyze that particular data and give it to the developers commit changes in order to commit the changes according to that the user requirement. Then after the changes are committed, then it give to the build. The changes are built in that particular program. Then it is deployment in that code is deployed in that particular platform. Then we are going to monitor that particular platform according to that of the applications and infrastructure requirement of that particular user. So then it is given to that ideas request bugs, which means who are the users want that particular data and the code development. We are giving to that particular code to that required person. The required person give to that of the developers the best practice team decisions. So after that they are analyze that particular data. If there is any changes, they update that particular, then again they are giving to the team members. These are the cycling of working happens in that AWS Amazon Web Services platform. The next one is interaction with the AWS. Through the three platform we are going to interact with the AWS. First one is AWS Management Console. The next one is AWS Command Line Interface. The next one is AWS Tools and SDKs. So through this three platform we are using that AWS Cloud Services. So here there will be the 7 services. Through the services there will be interaction happen in the AWS. So finally we can see that the AWS provides the best practices across 5 pillars for designing and operating reliable, secure, efficient and cost-effective system in cloud. So the AWS which helps to produce stable and efficient systems which allow you to focus on functional requirements. So these are the general introduction of AWS Amazon Web Services platform provided by the Amazon. Thank you.